Good day everyone. Today we shall be looking at the solution of this quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now when you are solving quadratic equation by factorization method, the first thing you must consider is you look at the leading term, which is x squared, and as well the constant term, which is 6. So you find the product of that x squared and 6. So when you find the product of x squared and 6, you should get 6x squared. And then you now look at a situation whereby you look at two factors of that 6x squared, such that the product, when you multiply the two factors, you get 6x squared back, and when you find the sum, you get minus 5 squared. That's the middle term. So what factor is that? I know you'll be thinking about that, and I think the factor should be minus 2x and minus 3x. Now that we got the two factors to be minus 2x and minus 3x, so all we need to do is to replace the middle term, which is minus 5x, with this minus 2x and minus 3x. So x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. That's when we have replaced minus 5x with minus 2x and minus 3x. Now, having done this, now the next thing is we are going to group these with we combine this together, and we combine this as well. So we are going to group them and then we factorize. So when we factorize x squared minus 2, we can find out that x is common. So when we factorize, we get x into x minus 2, and then for minus 3s and plus 6, we factorize as well, and then we get so we get this, which is the x into my x minus 2, and then minus 3 into x minus 2. So next we have that we can say that x minus 2 is common in the bracket, so we write it as 1, and then we write the coefficient, which is x minus 3, as 1, both being equals to 0. Now the next thing to do is to find the values of x. Then when we take 2 to the other side, from here when we take these 2 to this side, become x equals to 0 plus 2, and as well when we take 3, which is negative 3, here to the other side, become x equals to 0 plus 3, and in this case we have x equals to, or x equals 3. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation.